Let's be honest, 2-in-1 laptops in 2026 are on a whole different level. They're no longer just laptops that can bend, but full-on productivity machines that can replace tablets, notebooks, and sometimes even desktops. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best 2-in-1 laptops you should actually buy in 2026, based on real-world value, features, and how they fit into everyday life. Asus Vivobook 14 Flip. Let's start this list with something compact, flexible, and surprisingly future-ready. The Vivobook 14 Flip is a 2-in-1 that's clearly built for people who want modern AI features without paying premium flagship money. The matte gray design looks clean and minimal, and the 360-degree hinge makes it easy to switch between laptop, tablet, or streaming mode depending on what you're doing. Up front, you get a 14-inch OLED touchscreen with a 16:10 aspect ratio. It's a 60 Hz panel, but the OLED contrast, punchy colors, and up to 500 nits HDR brightness make it feel sharp and vibrant, even outdoors. For studying, note-taking, content consumption, or light creative work, it's honestly very comfortable to look at. Powering it is the Intel Core Ultra 5226V Series 2, paired with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB of SSD, priced at $1,000. Intel Arc graphics and an AI Boost NPU up to 40 TOPs turn this into a proper Copilot Plus PC, unlocking features like recall, live captions, and on-device AI tools. Asus claims up to 25 hours of battery life, though real-world heavy use lands much lower, around midday endurance. User feedback highlights how light and flexible it feels, the comfortable keyboard, and how capable it is for casual gaming and productivity. If you want an affordable AI-ready OLED 2-in-1 that's easy to carry and easy to live with, the Vivobook 14 Flip is a strong entry pick. Now, if you like the idea of a big OLED 2-in-1, but want something that feels a bit more premium and ecosystem-focused, this next one levels things up. Samsung 16-inch Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360. The Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360 feels like Samsung fully locking in on the premium laptop game. It's insanely thin at 12.7 millimeters, weighs around 3.7 pounds, and the CNC aluminum body feels solid without being bulky. The hinge is smooth, tablet mode actually makes sense, and yes, the S Pen is included, which is a huge bonus for note-takers and creatives. The display is where this laptop absolutely flexes. You're getting a 16-inch 3K AMOLED touchscreen with a 120 Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass DX, and anti-reflective coating. Blacks are deep, colors pop, and Samsung's Vision Booster helps keep everything readable even in bright rooms. It's easily one of the best laptop displays you can buy right now. Powering it is the Intel Core Ultra 7258V, paired with a massive 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a 1 TB of SSD, priced around $1,234, which is honestly wild value. Intel Arc graphics and a strong AI NPU push Copilot Plus features like real-time summaries and instant Copilot access via a dedicated key. Battery life easily lasts a full workday, supported by a 76 watt-hour battery while staying cool and quiet. Add quad AKG speakers with Dolby Atmos, and this feels like a true all-rounder premium machine. But what if you don't want a massive 16-inch laptop, and instead want something more compact, premium, and laser-focused on productivity? Lenovo Yoga 9i 2-in-1 Aura Edition. The Yoga 9i Aura Edition is one of those laptops that just feels right the moment you touch it. The cosmic blue aluminum design looks classy, it's ultra slim at 15.9 millimeters, and the 360-degree hinge actually makes tablet mode usable. The keyboard has 1.5 millimeters key travel, which makes long typing sessions surprisingly comfortable, and the Yoga pen snaps magnetically onto the lid. The display is a standout. It's a 14-inch 2.8K OLED touchscreen with 100% DCI-P3 color coverage and up to 1,100 nits HDR brightness. It also features a 30 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, so everything feels smooth without draining the battery. Whether you're taking notes, editing visuals, or watching content, this screen punches way above its size. Under the hood, it's powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7258V, paired with 32 GB of RAM and a 1 TB of Gen 4 SSD, priced around $1,650. Performance is tuned for productivity and creative workflows, not hardcore gaming, and that's exactly where it shines. Battery life is another big win, with up to 18 hours of real-world use from the 75 watt-hour battery. Add quad Dolby Atmos speakers in a rotating soundbar, and this thing sounds as good as it looks. Now, if battery life and portability are your top priorities, wait till you see what comes next, because this one completely ignores the laws of physics. LG Gram Pro 2-in-1. Classifying the LG Gram Pro 16 2-in-1 is honestly kind of tricky, and that's a good thing. On one hand, the 16-inch display makes it feel like a desktop replacement. On the other, it's insanely light at just over 3 pounds, which puts it straight into ultra-portable territory. And yes, it also flips into a giant tablet. However you use it, this laptop just works on multiple levels. The design is all about engineering flex. LG uses a magnesium chassis to keep it ultra-thin and ridiculously light, yet it feels way more solid than older Gram models. It's minimal, almost boring visually, but the moment you pick it up, you get why this laptop exists. Port selection is also practical. USB 4, HDMI 2.1, USB-A, and Wi-Fi 7. No dongle drama here. The display is a big win. You're looking at a 16-inch OLED touchscreen with a 2880 by 1800 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Colors are rich, clarity is sharp, and scrolling feels super smooth. It's great for productivity, content creation, and even casual drawing with the included stylus, especially in easel mode. Performance comes from an Intel Core Ultra 7 H-class processor, paired with 32 GB RAM and up to 2 TB storage. Battery life is another flex. Real-world testing hits close to 18 hours, which is wild for a laptop this powerful. Pricing starts at $1,899, with higher configs reaching $2,549. If you want a premium big screen 2-in-1 that blends power, portability, and ridiculous battery life, the LG Gram Pro 16 fully earns its hype. And finally, if you want a 2-in-1 that feels straight up luxurious and over-spec'd, this last pick still wears the crown. HP Spectre X360. Now here's the 2-in-1 that feels like the grown-up flex of this entire list, the Spectre X360-14. This thing doesn't just feel premium, it looks premium the moment you unbox it. Wrapped in this super sleek nightfall black finish, it hits that perfect balance between classy and modern. And at just a bit over 3 pounds, it's compact enough to toss in a bag without feeling like you're carrying a brick. Let's talk about the display, because honestly, this screen is one of the reasons this model sits at the top of the list. You're getting a 14-inch 2880 by 1800 touchscreen with edge-to-edge Gorilla Glass and 100% DCI-P 3-color coverage. That means everything from graphic design to watching your favorite Netflix series looks crisp, colorful, and punchy. Text is sharp, visuals are vibrant, and it just feels right to use every single day. Under the hood, the Spectre X360 runs on an Intel Core Ultra 7155H, paired with a whopping 32 GB of RAM and a 2 TB of SSD, which is honestly insane storage and speed for most people's workflows. The configuration sits around $1,819, and while the battery life isn't all day, around approximately 8 hours, the performance feels totally worth it. What really makes it stand out is how smooth everything feels. Multitasking, creative apps, browser tabs, video editing, you name it. The keyboard is comfortable, the hinge is solid, and that premium 9-megapixel IR camera is noticeably better than what you usually get. In short, if you want a two-in-one that feels like a serious daily driver with a luxury twist, the HP Spectre X36014 still earns its spot as the #1 pick in 2026.